And what do you make of the early headlines as they cross the Bloomberg?
Well, John, Donald Trump made this decision pretty much a no-brainer for the ECB, didn't he, with his tariffs, because the expectation is that they're going to weigh on euro area inflation and on growth. And we haven't seen a retaliation from the EU yet, so they haven't had to deal with the potentially inflationary impact of that retaliation. So given this was well priced, words are more important than actions today. And I'm waiting to see whether they drop this language about monetary policy becoming meaningfully less restrictive, because they added that at the last meeting. Dropping it would be a hawkish signal, and if they drop it, it would signal that maybe there won't be more cuts to come. So we just wait for that now. At the moment, traders have been pricing a 70% chance of a June cut. If Christine Lagarde at this press conference really goes to town on just how bad the growth hit is going to be, you could see traders thinking about a 50 basis point cut when it comes to that June meeting. But I also wonder, how much is she going to address euro-dollar strength head-on? Because, of course, it makes imports to the euro area cheaper, disinflationary. It makes exports out of the euro area more expensive, supporting that case to buttress growth.
Yep.
And traders are really going to be listening in for this, because today's been such a volatile day for the euro. I think it's the second most volatile on an ECB day ever in history.
Lizzy, you wanted that headline. It just crossed the Bloomberg terminal. They've dropped that word restrictive from the decision statement. I've got the statement in front of me. I just wanted to share this quote with you as well. On trade, the Eurozone economy has been building up some resilience against global shocks, but the outlook for growth has deteriorated owing to rising trade tensions. Increased uncertainty is likely to reduce confidence among households and firms, and the adverse and volatile market response to the trade tensions is likely to have a tightening impact on financial conditions. These factors may further weigh on the economic outlook for the euro area. Lizzy, what we've seen from a range of officials and from companies, particularly on this side of the Atlantic, is offering dual scenarios. Do you think that's something the ECB president could lean into in the news conference in the next 30 minutes?
I think the fact that they've kept the language about going meeting by meeting and data dependent shows, of course, that they want to hedge their bets at this point, keep their options open, not commit to a particular rate path, because in an environment like this, John, they just don't know what lies ahead, do they? If you think about how much pressure there is on Christine Lagarde today, she's got to try and calm markets, though, because we haven't got a BOE decision this month, we haven't got a Fed decision this month, and you heard Jay Powell last night basically, of course, saying that you can't rely on the Fed for the Fed put. So it's a huge job for her at this press conference to calm them, but I am shocked that they have dropped that language at this meeting.